as Ndi Igbo ekene m unu ọzọ si ebe anyị na nene m dodele nwoke bụ dodele nwaanyị biko na mara m ihe nwaanyị a na-akọ na vidiyo na just don't know. Mmadụ pụta ọgbụ kamera na-akọ ili na-akọ ihe na gbasara again because we just want to make a statement. Ọ bụrụ na ihe ọ chọrọ ikwu enwere isi, shut up your mouth. Ọ ka mma na ịdị quiet na nwere ihe ikwu da n'ikwulu ekwukwe nonsense. Ọ ka mma na nwere ihe ikwu da m n'imepere ọnụ gị olu iji eri ji na-ede wee ghọọ nsị bipụta n'ọnụ gị because ịchọ ista man of God okwu ọnụ ịchọ ịgwa nwoke a man of God okwu. Agwago m na onye ọbụla na-eme nke onye na-emesi ya ike. Ị na-eme nke gị, ị na-emesi ya ike. Hapụle na onye ọzọ. N'ihe agbara ụzọ eteka, hapụle na onye ọzọ. Biko nụ. Ebe ọ na-etu na TV taa Ebuka Obi, ịba ịntanetị taa Ebuka Obi, ịba ebe a taa Ebuka Obi, ọ gịnị nọ ya gbapụrụ na agbapụrụ n'ụwa ọsọsọ agwara onye amụma si ya n'Igbo anyị pụta. Fia kwa unu.
Unu afụgo ife a na-ekwu banyere miracle na Zion. Miracle bụ that blind girl jelu Zion si na ọ chọrọ ego. Everybody is blaming the girl. Oh, we from Toregwaga. Obulu that in your past life, maybe the reason why somebody went blind, he inflicted somebody with the pain of blindness. Ijakago, Iwuloya has it. However you did it, and you are the reason why someone went blind. My darling, you will reincarnate a blind person. I am not saying this is miracle's case. I am telling you that God can never forgive you your sin. Careful what you do, for God does not forgive sin. You eat beluma dishi. Oh, I get begishi. Mandia ne beishi kita. Tell them that na. Haga lo wanka get behishi. If somebody, that person had to go to jail because of you. You will experience jail. I get frame again. I get back why. I got seen already female man in on Nampolo and they got no for 20 years. Obolo very dark man or sige you will learn. You will learn the hard way. So you will learn the hard way. Yes. So what I'm trying to say is it is called karma. Some people reincarnate to serve their jail time. Wabaya, wabunga. There are people who have come to test what they have put people through. There are people who have come to enjoy life. They were so good. My grandfather, ever, he was a good man. Oh, they make sure not the belonku free. You understand? Now people gain access to drinking free. On a tenku, he was a popular palm tapa. So, I will go bad na to dundobe. Free. But when you meet him in the market, you buy. Akia do to a ikoseli o yege, except kono weho. Ibia na bi eje kurum dide. So such a man galowa where he will be enjoying. Even people, because of the too many good things they did before. No weapon fashioned against them shall prosper. Yes. Don't compare the journey of your life with the journey of these people's life. These are the people that will tell you not why they are all because I get no go share. You may not be alone. You are here for the benefit or you are here for the punishment. You are the master or you are the victim. If you are the victim, you just have a lesson to learn. If you are the master, you also have a lesson to learn. That is why we beseech you to lead a good life. What miracle means is that when you finish serving your karma, your solution will come. Hello. Ishi for 20 years. And the Nazine, you get wish for 20 years. When you finish, that is when you will hear. Now, one doctor discovered something and they used it and they worked. That is when you will hear that someone prayed for you and they cash. Yes, because your jail terms is done. So, when Ebuka Obi carry married that girl until she finished her tenure. whether he likes it or not. Or because Naya the girl talaki. What if all Karime would die girl? He ma be not because be new that nobody forget me would die girl. A lot of people now, but first advertise their time, they disappear. Yes. If I disappear, me no but for war. If you were not done it. Yeah, the reason why somebody done it before. If you were to barren, you may go somebody for jam long before. I am telling you possible cause, not exact cause. Quote me by my words. So, in the case of miracle, I repeat, no wonder if a miracle will get me, let her serve. How to know that what you are passing through is what you merited? Is because you will be comfortable with it. Hello, I've been through shit myself, and I am comfortable with it because I know that I am deserving. Hello, if you find yourself in situation that you are deserving, you will be comfortable. All of a sudden, all of your jailmates are bottling. They want out. You want in. You're fine. You are looking up to God. They are not just looking up to God. We give you what it takes to sustain you there. You will be able to endure it, yes. If you are walking your camera, you will be able to endure it. There are so many people who have light camera, minor camera, and they have to work it out in their dream life. So, in your life, all the things that have proved impossible, let it be. It may not be possible in this present reincarnation, but it will be possible in your next reincarnation. There are people who will never tell the lame that you are suffering your karma. Let the lame know. Do not give the lame false hope. Miracle herself was familiar with her condition. She knew that no miracle was coming her way. That was why she asked for money. That was why she asked that now Ebuka Obi should help her and train this one. Hello. When the time is right, you will ask for the right thing. When the time is right. That you know Ishi na fuzo. How it's going to happen is Naga link to a particular doctor. Had it been that the time is right for miracle, you will hear a doctor say, I want to investigate her case. You will hear a doctor say, I am interested. What is it that is wrong with this eye? You will hear a doctor searching into those eyes. You will hear a doctor, this one plus this one, when the time is right. So if you made it to Ebuka Obi and you don't have testimony, it is simple. The time is not right. You are still suffering your karma. In this particular case, I wanted Ebuka Obi to just come out and tell the poor masses that miracle depends. A miracle depends. The lame cannot walk under miracle. The lame, when the time is right, the lame will discover a hospital that has what he's looking for. There is a means. Sometimes to touch miracle means the rearranging the elementals in your body, making the sun function as the sun, making the water in your body function as the water, making the air function as the air, and making the earth, the land, function as land. When the pastors achieve this, they have rearranged the elementals. Suddenly, you will hear a testimony, but these testimonies are temporal. It is just a hack. That is why you see somebody will if or say I can walk. Suddenly you see that person go back to not being able to walk. If the person was unconscious, the person goes back because that rearranging of elements is temporal, very temporal. It cannot sustain. So when God wants to save you, when God wants to lift you off your karma, God will link you to a doctor if you have health issue. That is it. So if you are praying, if you are having health issue, your right prayer should be Kachuku go sing. The doctor that has this in his back. Remember that whatever problem you have, there is somebody that has it, that has the solution. There is somebody that has the solution.
Moko amnene ne sana the video ne like ile no kabaro subscribe or like notification the key will make notification Bobble night video from I don't need Lord. I don't need Lord. God knows on the bye.